Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Natalie from Wiplabs.com, your #1 store for crowdfunded, innovative tech products. If you think your product belongs in our store, send us an email, info@wiplabs.com. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Aqua Micro Audio Amplifier. It comes in lots of different colors and it comes for Lightning or micro USB devices. This is the box. It has on the back it says world's lightest amplifier and make your life better. That's cute. So here we go. My favorite tack pen, knife. Opening it up. Oh. So out comes a card that tells you all the specifications and what exactly is included. This one is the Lightning device. It is the gold one. Comes with a cute little leather holder or leather-like holder. And here is the Aqua itself. If I can get it out of this blister pack. Oh my god. All right, pretty, very nice. So this is the gold version. It has some hexagonal like design on it on this side. Then it has volume up, volume down, and a center button. It tells you that it has 24 bits and 192 kilohertz. So this side would plug into the iPhone in case you're not the type that has enough courage to get rid of the headphone jack. You get back your headphone jack. Oh, and there's also a little indicator light that shows you that it's working. Great thing about it is that it doesn't need to be charged, there's no batteries or anything like that. So it's a sound amplifier, you get your headphone jack back, and you get controls that you don't need to touch your iPhone for. So if your phone is like in your pocket or in your bag, you can actually just use the controls here to volume up, down, press play, or stop. Pause or play. And that's it. That's it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you miss your headphone jack? Do you think that you would get one of these? Would love to hear your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you soon on Wiplabs.com.